whole purpose of me doing this video was so I wouldn't procrastinate, and somehow doing the video made me procrastinate even more. Guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a pack with me. I'm leaving to go to college in about 4 days, so I decided to take the initiative and pack early this year because last year I only packed with 2 days, but we're better now. We're making progress, so I'm doing it in 4 days, double the time. I'm going to show you what I have packed so far. It's really just cleaning supplies and stuff like that my dad and I went and got before we left just so we could have that. So let me go show y'all that. Okay, so this is what we're working with so far. These are all the things that just came from the store that I am not going to unpack because I'm taking it with me. And so the first thing we're going to start on, Miss Girl, is this closet. I'm not even going to show y'all my... I'm not even going to show y'all my closet because it looks an actual mess. I promise you it's not a messy closet. It just... I have no justification for how this looks. I'm gonna start by packing my hanging clothes first because who's about to sit here and unhang, fold, and then rehang these clothes? Not me. Purr. So I got my little, you know, my little trashy bag. I got my little trashy bag, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'll just show y'all how I hang my clothes inside the trash bag. So let's go. Now, so the first step for hanging my clothes on the trash bag is I'm gonna open up the trash bag. So after you open up your trash bag, this is what you want to do. So this is what I do. I place them on something I can hang them on. So I have my clothes like on my dresser knob right now, and I'm gonna take it like this, like shimmy it up. I don't really know how to explain this. Now I have, as you can see, the clothes are in here and I have them hanging up like this. I'm gonna add more clothes to this bag, but just to show you how I finish it off, you're just gonna take the drawstrings on the trash bag, pull them up and tie them around the hangers. And now when you get back to school, all you have to do is just untie this if you want to reuse them, so don't cut them, and then just hang them on there and boom, you're done. Because I know a lot of people spend a lot of time taking these off the hangers and then rehanging them, but not me because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that, and when I get to something new, I'll tell y'all.
Ryan Little.
Alright, y'all, as I can see, I have a big bin of shoes that I need to sort through. Please ignore my Crocs. I spray painted with them on. So I need to go through this bin and figure out what I'm going to bring back with me, even though I normally just bring this whole thing. I'm trying to downsize. So let's see what I'm going to keep. Hopefully, it'll probably be everything, for being honest. Alright, you guys, so I'm on here to show y'all how I basically pack my shoes in this bin, and this is how I keep it in my actual apartment, dorm room, whatever you want to call it. Sorry if y'all can hear like the fan and vacuum going, but we have a lot going on right now in our house. But yeah, so this is how I pack my shoes. I basically pack them how they do it in the shoe boxes, where you do like the one, this end of the shoe is over here, and then I don't really know how to explain it, but as y'all can see, it's like alternating sides is how I pack them, and that's how I get them like really flat, and I'm able to pack so many shoes. Anyways, ignore my closet in the background, but as I was saying, the bottom layers of like the shoes, I try to do the shoes that I don't really wear that often just because I'm not going to be using them, so I don't have to dig all the way to the bottom to find the ones I want to use. And as I get closer to the top of the actual bin, I do the shoes that I wear like almost every single day. So that'd be like my Crocs. Yeah, my Crocs. That's about it. So I'm going to keep on stacking up these shoes, and I will see you guys when I'm done stacking these shoes. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it's not overflowing or anything like that. I just literally just stacked them on top of it like that. I don't know if I'm going to put my Crocs in like a bag, like my suitcase or something, or if I'll just lay them on top like this since we are driving. But yeah, so that's basically what that looks like. So all my shoes are packed and good to go. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna start packing up my jeans. As y'all can see, they're right up there. I'm not gonna be wearing them because I don't have anywhere to go. So I'm about to show y'all how basically I get all my bags together.
Longer than a few minutes later.
So yeah.
The next day.
Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I never finished packing anything else after the last clip I filmed. Today we're working on packing my t-shirts, my sweatpants, my sweatshirts, my joggers, leggings, biker shorts, and bodysuits. Mainly because I'm not going to be wearing that stuff anytime soon. I pretty much just wear the same t-shirt, like the same rotation of t-shirts and athletic shorts. That's what we're going to be packing up today because I know I won't be needing them. So yeah, and then I also have to wash a couple of clothing items that I still need to pack to come with me, and I also need to wash like, you know, my bed sheets and my blankets and stuff that are staying here, and also that I'm bringing with me because girl, we're not dirty over here. We like fresh, clean linens. So yeah, so let's get started on that. My progress so far. I have packed like all my jeans and my jean shorts on this side. I'm working on packing my t-shirts. Majority of my t-shirts that I'm gonna pack are actually in the dirty clothes over there. Then I also filled this miniature duffel bag I have with all my leggings, majority of my biker shorts, and also some of my like water shorts, like little athletic shorts, and also all my bodysuits. So that whole entire drawer is pretty much packed and good to go. Hey y'all, so it is officially day 3 of me packing up my stuff. I never actually even washed those clothes. I said I haven't done a lot of the things that I said I was supposed to do. Instead, I was just binge watching Moesha on Netflix. So that's what I've been doing, but I'm really gonna have to like actually finish packing because we leave tomorrow to pick up the rental cars. So I feel like my stuff should be packed by then. What we're gonna work on today, because I actually have no choice, is we're packing the rest of my t-shirts, and I'm moving some of the bins. Like I know y'all see that bin up there that's actually like in my apartment. I just brought the bin home because I was too lazy to take out the actual things in the actual bin. So that has to come with us. It's just a whole lot of stuff that I procrastinated, that the whole purpose of me doing this video was so I wouldn't procrastinate, and somehow doing the video made me procrastinate even more. I don't really know how that makes sense, but it does. Okay guys, so I have recruited I've recruited my Zoe to help me. She's helping pack. Not her trying to fix it. She's helping me pack up the grocery bags and stuff that we got, and try to put them like in a bigger bag so it's not so many small bags, if that makes sense.
Ryan Little.
Alright, just a little update. I did finish packing all of my hair products. I put them back in the bin. I reorganized it, and then I also put all my like appliances such as my blow dryer, curling iron, stuff like that for my wigs in a duffel bag. So I'm pretty much done with that. I finished packing everything I'm taking with me from this. I have a couple stuff I'm going to take with me. I'm waiting to pack my jewelry because I normally wear that, or I just put it in my actual backpack that I have with me in the car. I have a whole pile of stuff that we're working with that's going to be coming with me. So with that being said, this is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week for my college move-in vlog. I hope you're excited as I am, because I'm really excited to be pumping out this college content for y'all, because y'all seem to really like it. So I will see y'all next week. Bye guys.